Good evening and welcome back to the workshop. At the moment I'm trying to clear out some of the endless amounts of scrap that I've got. So I'm going to see what I can find up here, up in the rafters, see what I can turn it into. Found this old post. It's square on two sides with two roundovers on the other edges. I'm thinking I could maybe make some coasters and maybe some holders from this. So let's chop it down and let's see how it gets on. To make my coasters all the same size, I set a quick and easy stop block just by clamping on an old piece of wood. Next I'm moving on to the orbital sander. Got 4 discs to sand down, a little bit of double-sided sticky tape just to hold them in place while I sand. As always, PPE is important, and I've got 80, 120, 180 and 240 grit. So I've got some cutting board oil, a little tub to bathe them in, and a little improvised drying rack. Let's get conditioning. One thing I like already is how the grain's starting to come out. It looks really good. Now just to finish them off, it's nice and simple. Just got some wax. All I'm going to do is rub it on with a cloth. Nice thick coating of it. I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes and come back and wipe it all off. All finished. A nice chunky coaster to hold my beer. Cheers.